Number 1. Admire, meaning to respect and approve of someone or something. Example, I admire her dedication to her work. Urdu translation. Number 2. Brave, meaning showing courage. Example, the brave soldier saved many lives. Urdu translation. Number 3. Curious, meaning eager to learn or know something. Example, she was curious about the new neighbor. Urdu translation. Number 4. Delight, meaning great pleasure or joy. Example, the children were filled with delight when they saw the gifts. Urdu translation. Number 5. Elegant, meaning graceful and stylish in appearance or manner. Example, she wore an elegant dress to the party. Urdu translation. Number 6. Fascinate, meaning to attract and hold someone's attention. Example, the magician's tricks fascinate the audience. Urdu translation. Number 7. Generous, meaning willing to give more than expected. Example, he is very generous with his time and money. Urdu translation. Number 8. Humble, meaning having or showing a modest opinion of one's own importance. Example, despite his success, he remains humble. Urdu translation. Number 9. Inspire, meaning to motivate or encourage someone to do something. Example, her story inspired me to follow my dreams. Urdu translation. Number 10. Joyful, meaning full of happiness and joy. Example, they had a joyful celebration after winning the game. Urdu translation.